What's up with all y'all niggas? It's Sniper. Now, I will be giving y'all young niggas a tutorial on how to get facial hair at a young age. Now, before I get in this tutorial, I don't know how I got all this facial hair at 15, because I know some of y'all wondering. Sniper, how'd you get facial hair at such a young age? You're only 15. You look old. Well, look, man, I don't know how I got it. I was 13 one day. I just woke up with a mustache and chin hair, man. And then when I was 14, I woke up with sideburns, but we're going to get into that later. Back to y'all. I'm going to be giving y'all a tutorial. And another thing before I get in this tutorial, I'm not bragging about my facial hair. Okay, like I said, I just woke up with it one day. I don't know how I got it. So I don't want y'all being in my comment section talk about he bragging about his facial hair. Oh yeah, he cocky. No, I'm not cocky. I just got it. I just got the facial hair. It's in my genes. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? And another thing, if it's in your genes to have facial hair, you gotta be patient. Okay, it's gonna come. Okay, if you have the genetics to get facial hair, just be patient. Okay, if you're 13 and you want facial hair, it's not gonna come at that age. You only 13, my nigga. Okay, so that's that. We're gonna get into the tutorial. Tip 1 to get facial hair. I say this in all my other tutorials about the body. Go outside and get sun. Y'all know I was finna say that. Go outside and get sun. If you want facial hair, you a young nigga, and you my age or you a little bit older and you don't got facial hair, go outside and get some sun, okay? Y'all see, y'all see I'm in that sunlight right now. I should record this video outside. But anyway, go outside and get you some sun if you want facial hair at a young age, my nigga. It's gonna help you. Like I said in my last video on the clear skin. The sun has the nutrient called vitamin D, and it increases hair growth on every part of the body. On every part of the body, it increases hair growth, okay, including your face. So if you want facial hair at a young age, like 15 or 13 or whatever age you are, go outside and get some sun. Okay, number 2, if you want facial hair, eat fruits and vegetables, okay? Me, I think I got facial hair because of the stuff I ate growing up. Me, I was growing up eating fruits and vegetables. My mama, you know what I'm saying, always fed me vegetables and fruits. I ate, you know what I'm saying, some junk food here and there, but I didn't grow up eating junk food. Me, I was growing up eating fruits and vegetables. That's why that's why I'm the size I am today, man. But listen, eat fruits and vegetables because like I said, it's gonna increase. I said this also in my how to get taller video. Eat fruits and vegetables. It's gonna increase your growth, it's gonna increase your height, and it also increases your hair growth on every parts of your body, including your face. So eat you some fruits and vegetables, man. Simple. It's not that hard. So the third tip to getting facial hair is, like I said in my clear skin video, you rubbing cold ice all over your face, it also increases your hair growth on your face. Ice water can also increase your hair growth Tip on your face. Number 4 to get facial hair is be patient, my nigga. I say this also in every video. Be patient, man. If you want facial hair and you 13 and younger, nigga, be patient, man. It's gonna come. You gonna get facial hair, okay? It's not gonna happen overnight. You got to be patient. It takes patience. It takes time. Okay, it doesn't happen overnight. It happens over time. So if you want facial hair, if you want a beard, or if you want a mustache, whatever, be patient, my nigga. It's Sniper. I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's Sniper, and I'm out, nigga.